Features of Java programming. Java is a high-level programming language developed with the aim to bring portability and a higher level of security. The main motive of Java language creation was to make it portable, simple, and secure programming language. Simple. Java is easy to learn and its syntax is quite simple, portable, and easy to understand. Object-oriented. In Java, everything is object, which has some data and behavior. Java can be easily extended as it is based on object model. And object-oriented programming has the following concept that are the Java language also has: object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. Java platform independence. Java is a platform independent language that it is independent of whatever software environment is available. It has two components: runtime environment, application programming interface API. Java can run on multiple platforms as the program written is compiled and then the bytecodes generated is platform independent code. Java offers the features write once, run anywhere. Secure of Java. When it comes to security, Java is always the first choice. With Java secure features, it enables us to develop virus-free, tamper-free system. Java program always runs in Java runtime environment with almost null interaction with system OS. Hence, it is more secure. High performance. Java is an interpreted language, so it will never be as fast as a compiled language as C or C++. In fact, it is about 20 times as slow as C. However, this speed is more than enough to run interactive GUI and network-based applications, where the application is often idle, waiting for the user to something or waiting for data from the network. Multi-threaded. A thread is like a separate program executing concurrently. We can write Java programs that deal with many tasks at once by defining multiple threads. The main advantages of multi-threading is that it does not occupy memory for each thread. It shares a common memory area. Threads are important for multimedia web applications. Distributed. Java is designed to support various levels of network connectivity. Java applications are network aware. TCP/IP support is built into Java class libraries. They can open and access remote objects on the internet. Robust. Java makes an effort to eliminate error-prone codes by emphasizing mainly on compile time error checking and runtime checking. But the main areas which Java improves were memory management and mishandle exceptions by introducing automatic garbage collection and exception handling. Dynamic. Java is a dynamic language. It supports dynamic loading of classes. It means classes are loaded on demand. It also supports functions from its native languages, that is, C and C++. Java programs can carry an extensive amount of runtime information that can be used to verify and resolve access to objects at runtime.